Luang Prabang, the cultural heart of Laos, is a UNESCO World Heritage town known for its colonial architecture, Buddhist temples, and riverside charm. Its hotel reflect this unique blend of heritage and luxury, offering everything from boutique villas to opulent retreats. Whether you seek quiet riverside, sanctity, cultural dimension, or high-end indulgence, Luang Prabang's accommodation provide experiences as memorable as the town itself. The first one is Amantaka. Amantaka is a refined luxury hotel set in a former French colonial estate. The spacious suites are elegantly designed, blending raw tradition with contemporary elegance. Its tranquil courtyard, spa, and cultural programs make it a sanctuary for guests seeking both comfort and authenticity. With attentive staff and a location close to historic temples, it offers one of the most exclusive stays in the city. The second one is Rosewood Luang Prabang. Designed as a riverside retreat, Rosewood combines luxury with immersion in nature. Its villas, some with private pools, are surrounded by forested hills, creating a secluded escape. Guests enjoy exceptional dining, curated cultural experiences, and breathtaking views of the surrounding landscapes. It's a perfect choice for those who want indulgence in harmony with local traditions. The third one is Sofitel Luang Prabang. Housed in a beautifully retreat colonial fort, Sofitel exudes charm and grandeur. Its spacious suites open onto a lush garden and serene courtyards, offering a peaceful retreat from the town's bustle. Guests enjoy a spa, outdoor pool, and impeccable service that combine international luxury with local warmth. Its quiet setting make it ideal for both cultural and relaxing stays. The fourth one is Avni Plus Luang Prabang Hotel. This boutique hotel combines modern elegance with a tranquil ambience. The rooms are tastefully furnished with contemporary design, and the centerpiece swimming pool add to its charm. Located near the night market and main attractions, it balances convenience with a sense of claim. Guests consistently praise its friendly staff and personalized service. The fifth one is La Residence Phao Wow. Situated on a hilltop, this resort offers panoramic views of the mountains and Pausi Hills. The spacious suites are designed for comfort with farm decor and private terraces. The infinity pool, gardens, and spa provides plenty of spaces to relax in a serene surrounding. It is a peaceful sanctuary for travelers looking to unwind in style. The next one is Satri House, a boutique property tucked amid lush garden. Satri House is known for its intimate colonial-style villas. The hotel emphasizes privacy and tranquility with beautifully decorated rooms that feel both cozy and refined. Guests love its quiet setting, attentive service, and the sense of exclusions. It is a wonderful choice for couples or anyone seeking peace and relaxation. The next one is Burasari Heritage Luang Prabang. This riverside boutique hotel blends colonial architecture with warm, loud design. Rooms are decorated with local material and cultural details, offering both charm and comfort. The location along the Nam Han River provides peaceful views and a sense of play. Guests value the attentive staff and the authenticity of the overall experience. The next one is Chaosis Hotel, a modern option in Luang Prabang. Chaosis Hotel offers a balance of style and comfort. It features well-furnished rooms, an outdoor pool, and a leafy courtyard where guests can relax. The central location makes it easy to explore the town, while the service is consistently polite and helpful. It's a practical yet elegant choice for travelers. The second last is Mansion de la Bua. Set amidst lotus ponds. Mansion de la Bua is known for its serene setting and natural beauty. The rooms are spacious, air-conditioned, and thoughtfully decorated to reflect local heritage. Guests love the peaceful atmosphere along with the hotel's excellent restaurant and attentive staff. It is a claiming escape just a short walk from the town center. The last one is Nagara Villa River View. Nagara Villa is a charming riverside property that offers cozy rooms with views of the Namhan River. Its interior are simple but comfortable, with a focus on cleanliness and relaxation. Guests appreciate the homely welcome and flexible hospitality, making it feel like a personalized stay. It is ideal for travelers seeking an intimate and budget-friendly riverside retreat. Luang Provence hotels are more than just accommodations, they are experiences that mirrors the town's balance of history, spirituality, and tranquility. From luxurious state and boutique villas to peaceful riverside stays, each hotel provides its own story and charm.